White Cupcakes. Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where we create the most universally designed cupcakes. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we are here to share all our insider tips and make your caking journey that little bit easier. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. We have baked our vanilla cupcakes and start by making up our cupcake boxes. We're using a combination of a box of 6 and 2 1-dozen boxes. Now these are not the usual shape box with a 4x3 configuration for the cupcakes. These are longer and narrower and hold 1 dozen cupcakes still in a 6x2 configuration. You can see they are a bit more time consuming to make up than the usual shape, and they are also slightly more expensive. However, we do believe that they have a much more elegant and refined appearance, especially if they're for a gift or a high-end occasion. Our cake boxes are from Loyal and are purchased from Cakers Warehouse. And if you're ordering yours from there, make sure to use our discount code Enchanted10 and you will score yourself a 10% discount. Once our boxes are made up, we fill them with our vanilla cupcakes and start piping. Like always, we are using our signature buttercream, and we just so happen to have our full recipe and tutorial available for purchase. Just DM or comment on our Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the word buttercream and we'll DM you the link. So for our cupcakes today, we are using our white buttercream in Loyal piping bags and a Loyal tip 1M, which by the way is our favourite piping tip. I think it was actually the first piping tip we ever bought. So start slightly off centre with your piping and pipe around in a circular motion towards the outside edge of your cupcake, and then just keep repeating this. This usually takes approximately between 30 to 45 grams of buttercream for each cupcake, depending on the size of your cupcake. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new and enjoyed our tutorial. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our episodes. See you next time, and happy piping!